Are you ready to turn your free time into a goldmine? Today, we're going to explore how you can earn money from Google with ease. That's right. This method is completely free and can make you up to $300 a day or $9,000 a month. The secret tool you'll be using is Google News. What's even better? You don't need any fancy degrees or special qualifications. This opportunity is available to anyone, anywhere in the world, making it a truly global chance to boost your income. So, if you're looking to make some extra cash in your spare time, keep watching to learn how you can get started today. Getting started with Google News. Let's get started by tapping into the vast resource that is Google News. It's super easy and can open up a world of information right at your fingertips. All you need to do is head over to google.com and type Google News in the search bar. Hit enter and you'll land on the Google News platform, a bustling hub of constantly updated stories from around the globe. This platform is an excellent source for the latest headlines in everything from business and technology to health, sports, and entertainment. It's a treasure trove of information that you can use to create content and start making money online. Whether you're interested in breaking news or evergreen topics, Google News provides a steady stream of material to work with. With just a few clicks, you'll have access to trending topics that people are talking about right now. This is the first step in our strategy to turn these stories into money-making articles, and it all starts with knowing where to look. So fire up your browser and dive into Google News to see what stories grab your interest today. Selecting and paraphrasing popular topics. Now that you've found your way to Google News, it's time to choose some popular topics to work with. The key is to focus on subjects that are trending and have wide appeal. You can explore a variety of categories such as technology, business, sports, entertainment, science, or health. For our guide today, let's zero in on business and health, as these areas often have lots of interesting stories and insights. Once you've picked your articles, it's time to make them your own. Head over to Spinbot, a handy free tool that helps you paraphrase content quickly and easily. By running your articles through Spinbot, you can create unique versions of the stories, which helps you avoid any plagiarism issues. But don't just rely on Spinbot to do all the work. Review the output carefully and tweak it to add your personal touch. Make sure the content is engaging and has your unique spin. This step is crucial because it not only makes your article stand out, but also ensures that you're adding value for your readers. So, select those topics, spin those articles, and get ready to create something amazing. Reviewing and personalizing your content. Now that Spinbot has helped you create a fresh version of your article, it's time to polish it up and make it truly yours. Start by reading through the final output and removing any unnecessary content or ads that might have slipped in. This will ensure your article is clean and focused on delivering valuable information to your readers. Next, take a moment to tweak the content to perfection. This is where you can add your personal touch and make the article unique. Consider what insights or experiences you can share to make the piece more engaging and relatable. Personalizing your content is crucial because it sets your work apart and shows readers that you're offering them something new and original. Remember to think about the ethical side of content creation too. While repurposing information is a common practice, it's important to add your spin and insights to maintain integrity. By doing so, you'll not only create a better article, but also build trust with your audience. So, take your time to review, refine, and personalize your content until it shines. Monetizing your articles on high-paying sites. Now that you have a polished and unique article, it's time to start earning some money from your hard work. There are plenty of websites out there eager to pay for quality content, and tapping into these opportunities can turn your writing into a steady income stream. One great option is Dotdash, where you can earn between $100 and $500 per article. They cover a wide range of topics, so you're likely to find something that matches your interests and expertise. Another excellent site is The Penny Hoarder, which offers $75 to $100 for articles focused on personal finance tips and stories. If you love writing about travel, consider submitting your work to the Traveling Writer, where you can earn between $50 and $200. For those passionate about supporting female writers, Women on Writing offers $50 to $100 for engaging articles. Finally, International Living pays $75 to $400 for pieces on travel and lifestyle. By submitting your articles to these high-paying sites, you can maximize your earnings and get your content in front of a larger audience. It's a fantastic way to make money online while sharing your unique insights with the world. Exploring additional opportunities. Beyond the high-paying sites we've discussed, there are even more opportunities to explore for getting paid for your writing. A list apart offers between $200 and $300 for articles focused on web design and development, making it a great choice for tech enthusiasts. If you enjoy creating entertaining and informative listicles, Listverse pays $100 for each piece. Cracked is another excellent platform for humor and pop culture articles, offering between $100 and $200. For those who like to share insights on writing and freelancing, Writers Weekly pays $60 for informative articles. If tutorials are your thing, Photoshop Tutorials offers anywhere from $25 to $300, depending on the depth and complexity of the content. For those interested in internet marketing, Income Diary provides $50 to $200 for insightful articles. Tuts Plus is perfect for web development enthusiasts, paying $50 to $500 for detailed tutorials. And if you're into storytelling, The Sun magazine pays up to $2,000 for personal essays and fiction. By exploring these additional opportunities, you can diversify your income streams and find the best platforms to showcase your unique skills and interests. By following these steps, you can start earning money with Google News and transform your free time into a valuable income stream. Thanks for joining us on JumTalks, where we share the latest tips for making money online. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more ways to boost your earnings. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, it's time to put these strategies to work and see how much you can earn.